Hey guys, it's Zilly Barkley of ZillyBarkley.com. Today we are talking about get into it. All right, guys. So listen, I want to show you something in Canva. So we already know that you're able to remove your background, right? So we're able to do that. And Canva is always making updates. They're always making, improvements. And so today I'm actually creating a workshop for a summit that I will be speaking at really soon. And so what I want to do is I want to put this new picture up here. Now, I have an old one up, but I just want to put a more updated picture. And so what I am going to do is remove the background so that it looks just like this. But here's the thing. Sometimes in Canva, when you use the automatic background remover, it does not remove everything. And I kept finding that problem with this picture. So I'll show you what that looks like. And so now we have it all removed. But if I put this picture over on the white side and I open it up, I can see that some of my hair is, or the wall behind my hair is still showing, and I want that to be clean and clear as well, right? So if you are looking to do a background removal and you have things that are still there, what you can do is use the erase and restore tool. So I'm going to tap in there, right? And I am able to change the brush size. So I'm going to put that down a lot because this is, it's not a big space and I want to make sure that I can get in there easily. But another thing to help me get in there is to actually blow the picture up even more, right? So I changed it to 200. I zoomed in and now I can bring down my brush size even more, right? So I'm going to put probably 2 in there so that I am able to, I think that's perfect. And I can go in and just click and drag. So I'm actually clicking and dragging, and I'm going to remove the bigger area first, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down that brush size and do these smaller areas. There we go. Smaller. And I'm just going to tap the smaller areas. You can see that I'm making little circles in there just so it erases. Now, I'll tell you something. If I erase too much, like let's say I erased all of that, I can go in with the restore tool and actually just drag it and click it the same way and restore it, right? And I think that's so awesome. So I can go in there and just restore some of my hair that would have probably came out in that process. And guys, this is such a game changer. So now I'll go in and just erase some of, I restored a bit too much around here. And you're probably not as anal about these things, but I hate to see hair looking like, weird and things like these. So now that I'm done, I am going to click done. And I'm going to bring that back down to probably, yeah, 50% is good. And then I'm going to continue by dragging my picture over to the corner here, opening up a bit. And yeah, so that is that. I wanted to show this because you guys know I love showing you how you can really enhance your visual presence online. And so now you can see that this is what it looks like, right? Isn't that so cool? But yeah. So I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know down in the comments if you are as anal about hair, especially when you're removing a background. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you want to see from me next as it pertains to Canva. Talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I want to remind you to subscribe if you have not done so already. If you are here and you have not subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? The other thing is turn on your notification bells so that you know exactly when we upload. You do not want to miss that. And if you feel like somebody should know what we spoke about today, definitely share that so we can reach more people. Only if you got something good from today's session, let me know down below in the comments and share. It helps us, and helping us helps us to help you. So I will see you pretty soon. Take care.